Hi, thank you and welcome to another video. In this video today, we are going to be discussing, is QuickBooks for you? This video is going to be a short overview, about 7 to 10 minutes long. We'll cover a lot of things about QuickBooks, and at the end, you'll be able to make a decision, is QuickBooks for you? Please, if you have any questions, jot them down, and you'll be able to reach your local Toledo SBDC, and their contact information should be listed below. So let's get started. Is QuickBooks for you? So what is QuickBooks? QuickBooks is a product of Intuit, and Intuit has many products, and some of them you probably have heard of, like TurboTax or Mint.com. So QuickBooks is just another form of Intuit. It is basically a bookkeeping software that generates reports for your business, and the reports that you were thinking of or that they are generating is your financial reports. It gives a overview of how your business is doing financially month after month or year after year. QuickBooks also has many other services that comes with it that can be integrated, and over 7 million users use QuickBooks globally. There are 3 versions of QuickBooks. There is the desktop version, self-employed, and QuickBooks Online. For today's video, we are mostly going to be discussing QuickBooks Online. That is probably the #1 tool that is used from QuickBooks. So we'll go over some of that and some of the features that comes with it. So let's get started. So the software comes with 4 subscriptions for the QuickBooks Online. You can find that at quickbooks.intuit.com. And that will give you a full interview, and that's actually what I have pulled up on my screen. So on the screen, you'll see the 4 plans here. It starts out at Simple Start, and it goes all the way up to Advanced. So we'll scroll this down here so you can take a look at it. The price ranges anywhere between $25 to $150 a month. Now you'll see here that QuickBooks is having a little discount where they do offer 3 months of 50% off of each plan. So their prices range from $12.50 to $75 with the 3 months 50% off pricing. After that 3 months is over, that plan does go up to this original pricing, which is that $25 or up to $150, depending on which plan you decide to go with. And like I said before, they have many features with them. You are able to do payroll through QuickBooks. If you have employees, you're able to track their time. You can track your mileage, and you can see kind of here all of the different features that comes along with QuickBooks in their tiers. The higher you go up, the more transactions you're able to do within QuickBooks, or the more features that you're able to have. You can send estimates, you can send invoices to your clients. They help with tax deductions. There's a plethora of things that you're able to do within QuickBooks. It's really an awesome product to use. So just kind of moving along with some of the things that they are able to do. I'll scroll back down here so you can see the different options available. You can track your bills with upcoming payments. You can actually schedule your payments to go out automatically for you. If that is something that you do now and you want to be able to do that through QuickBooks, they do have that capability. You'll also categorize your expenses that you have from month to month within your business. You can save receipts if you want to make sure that you have that and not actually keep a hold of a physical copy. You can upload it into QuickBooks and it will save there for you. You can track your income. Like I stated before, you can create your estimates and your invoices through QuickBooks. You can identify different products and services that your business may sell. So there's a lot of things that you can do. Some of the other things, like I mentioned earlier, was reporting. So QuickBooks is a software that generates financial reports for your business. There's between 20 to 60 reports within QuickBooks that you can produce for your business, and you can customize them. Some of the most common reports that you'll run is a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. moving right along here. As I stated before, you can track your mileage, you can track your cash flow, payroll, and if I went ahead and say I choose a plan here, so we'll just go with the cheapest one, which is the Simple Start. If I click on that, it pulls up the different payroll options that you can add with your plan. So there's the core, and they also go the 50% off as well. With the regular subscription plans, the payroll plans actually is 50% off as well for the first 3 months. So there's the core, the premium, and the elite. Right now with the 50% off, the price ranges from $22.50 to $62.50, and without the 50% off, it's $45 to $125. You can see some of the features that come with each plan. The biggest difference between the plans is being able to do direct deposit for your employees, excuse me. So that is one of the things. Typically, what you see here, like highlighted in bold, are going to be the differences between each plan, and then what's not highlighted is what they all come with. All three of the plans come with. So that is an option that you can select. Say if you wanted to select this plan to go with a Simple Start, this is kind of what you're looking at for the 3 months, and then you'll be able to also see what you'll be able to do after, or what the price is after the 3 months. So that is really, in a nutshell, kind of what QuickBooks does. Just a couple other little things that I would throw in there. Using QuickBooks is more efficient for your business operation. You are able to stay up on top of any issues with your invoices or overdue payments. QuickBooks is really good about notifying you about those things. If you set a due date for an invoice and a customer does not pay that invoice, they will notify you, and they can even set up reminders to send out to the customers automatically for you, so you're not having to keep track of those invoices. It's a great way to track how your business is spending money and be able to pinpoint if you're spending money on an expense that's no longer serving your business. You can see how much you're spending and be able to cut that expense out. That is all that I have for this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact your Toledo SBDC. And again, their contact information should be listed below. Thank you.